Some users might want a relatively affordable PC that can deliver a solid gaming experience in a compact, space-saving design. The HP Pavilion gaming desktop is my choice as the best compact, cheap option in 2022. Not everyone has the money or desk space to accommodate a premium pre-built PC, and the HP Pavilion gaming desktop offers surprisingly powerful internal components despite its small stature and can run mainstream titles like GTA 5 with decent frame rates. It only weighs around 13 pounds and measures in at 20 by 16 by 12 inches, which makes it one of the smallest options on this list and provides solid placement flexibility. It has a minimalist design compared to some brightly lit competitors like the Skytech Archangel, but it offers a small lighting strip near the bottom to add some flair. I also like that it comes with a wired keyboard and mouse, so it's a great option if you're just getting into gaming. It comes with a decent amount of connectivity options and features 4 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, a USB-C input, 4 USB-A 2.0 ports on the rear, an HDMI port, and more, along with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2 for your wireless peripherals. Unlike most options in this range, it also supports 5.1 surround sound to provide a more accurate and immersive in-game stereo image. It utilizes 8 GB of RAM and a 6-core Ryzen 3500 processor that can nail the basics like streaming videos or browsing the web, and Ryzen processors typically tend to perform better with multi-core tasks than Intel options like the Dell G5. You also get an NVIDIA GeForce TX 1650 Super GPU with 4 GB of GDDR5 memory that can run less demanding games, most modern esports titles, and some more intensive open-world games with good frame rates at basic settings. It also offers ray tracing support, which simulates the behavior of light to provide more immersive, realistic graphics. The HP Pavilion desktop isn't quite a gaming powerhouse that can handle demanding online games, but it offers solid performance for the size and price, and it's ideal for casual gamers who just want to play basic games with smooth frame rates or dabble with some more demanding titles. Next up, we have a great all-around option that provides enough power to handle most modern titles and offers impressive VR compatibility. The CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme VR is a great all-around option to consider. The CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme VR gaming PC comes with an excellent blend of performance, aesthetics, and affordability. It's an ideal choice for more demanding games, viewing content, and general web browsing. It has a sleek black design with a transparent glass side panel to see the internal fans with vibrant RGB lighting, and it features some rings of lighting on the front panel. Like the Skytech Archangel, it comes with a solid warranty and free lifetime tech support. It provides an ample port selection, which includes an HDMI port, a display port, 6 USB 3.1 inputs, 2 USB 2.0 inputs, and an Ethernet cable, along with built-in 802.11 AC Wi-Fi support. Unlike the cheaper models on this list, it also comes with impressive 7.1 channel audio to provide immersive audio and more accurate positional cues while playing. You also get an included keyboard and mouse to save money on accessories, and unlike most included peripherals, the mouse features built-in RGB lighting to match your setup. On the inside, it has 8 GB of RAM and a 10th generation Intel Core i5 10400F processor that offers solid all-around performance with basic tasks and solid multitasking capabilities for the price, but the overclocking headroom isn't the best in this range. It also offers an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super GPU that can run mainstream AAA titles at 1080p with smooth frame rates and minimal lagging at decent settings. Even more, it comes with unique DirectX technology to provide faster processing, higher frame rates, and improved graphics performance, and it's optimized for VR systems. The CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme VR is a great all-around option to consider because of its solid storage capacity, unique technology to improve system performance, and quality included peripherals to add some extra value. I would recommend this if you want a powerful PC that offers impressive all-around performance and enthusiast-level performance with demanding games at 1080p for a good price. If you're looking for a budget gaming PC that offers a great balance of in-game performance, gamer-friendly features, and connectivity options, the Acer Predator Orion 3000 is my choice as the best overall option in 2022. While the near $1,000 price tag might be too pricey for some users, the Acer Predator Orion 3000 is a relatively affordable alternative to premium gaming PCs that can smoothly handle most 1080p or 1440p gaming requirements. It has a reasonably compact build that only measures 15 by 7 by 15.5 inches, and you get a sleek design with a tempered glass panel on the side. Despite its small stature, it offers a decent range of front-facing ports, including a USB 3.2 port, a USB-C port with up to 10 gigabits per second speeds, and two 3.5mm jacks on the front, along with several additional inputs on the rear, though the built-in headset grip can block some ports when being used. Inside the chassis, you get vibrant, customizable RGB lighting and high-quality frost blade fans to maintain an optimal internal temperature. I also like that the mid-tower case is easy to open, so you can upgrade the components to your liking. It utilizes 12 gigabytes of RAM and a 10th generation Intel Core i5 10400 6-core processor that can handle demanding productivity tasks or creative work like editing better than cheaper models like the HP Pavilion gaming desktop. It also comes equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super GPU that delivers excellent overall gameplay and smooth frame rates with demanding mainstream 1080p and 1440p games at high settings, but the 4K gaming performance isn't the best. Even more, it features NVIDIA DLSS support to squeeze out some additional frame rates and ray tracing support to produce more realistic graphics. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 is the best overall option because of its robust internal cooling system, easily accessible components, and superior all-around gaming performance to the less expensive models mentioned. If you're a mid-level gamer, or if you don't need top-tier power and want something that can perform well with most games at a good price, this might be the best choice for you. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.